Yo people, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing good, staying safe and healthy. If you could see, आगे का पूरा वो क्या बोलते हैं, विंडशील्ड वगैरह सब टूट गया यार. परसों गिर गया मैं नीचे एकदम भयानक और सब टूट गया वो पूरा. मैं यार मजाक कर रहा था. I have purposely removed it. Windshield, top box, mud flap, and the reason is we are heading to I don't know the place, but I'll put it here. And there is something Bangalore Benelli has organized an Adventure X kind of event, which is something they'll be drilling about quick info on how to handle your bike, how should be your sitting posture, फिर बाइक नीचे गिर गया तो कैसा उठाने का, वो सब वगैरह टाइप्स. तो it will be fun and it's an kind of track I believe, तो मज़ा आएगा. And that's the reason I have removed all that stuff. अगर गाड़ी गिर गया तो it's difficult. Any which ways they would be removing it for sure, because the event has already occurred in Hyderabad and in some other state as well. तो हैदराबाद का वीडियो क्लिप्स देखा तो they by default removed it. बस वो स्टैंड था ऐसा टाइप्स, बट मेरे को थोड़ा ऑकवर्ड लग रहा था तो उसको भी रिमूव कर दिया. चलो फिर डायरेक्टली मिलती है अपन वेन्यू में. पहुंच गया बाबा, पहुंच गया एडवेंचर एक्स. There we have India 2021. I could see one Benelli parked over there. Alright, there you go. I am the first one. Nice. राइड का प्रिपरेशन सब चालू है. एक्चुअली दे आर रिमूविंग ऑल दैट विंड स्क्रीन, साइड व्यू मिरर्स, और अपना ये जो फुट रेस्ट का रबर फ्लैप है वो भी रिमूव कर रहे हैं, सो दैट यू गेट अ बेटर ग्रिप. एंड माइन तो यू कैन सी दिस वाइट वन ऑलरेडी रिमूव्ड. बस मिरर और अपने को वो रबर पैडिंग निकालना है. अभी का टाइम 8:45 हो गया है एंड आई थिंक इट वुड कम अप एंड अगेन ऑफ मे बी कितना 1 घंटा लगेगा. सो दिस इज़ हाउ दे आर मार्किंग. विंडशील्ड में वो गाड़ी का नंबर लिख के एंड दे आर कीपिंग इट हियर. अपना वो त्रास नहीं है. चाना पैक हैंडल बार. ऑलराइट, हैंडल बार सब ऊपर हो गया है. थोड़ा अजीब लग रहा है, बहुत ही अजीब लग रहा है. इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ दैट नाइस, एक्चुअली नाइस. अच्छा कॉन्फिडेंस बैठ रहा है. ओके, हैंडल बार तो अच्छा खासा रेस हो गया. बट जस्ट दैट बहुत सारे TR के हैं ना यहाँ पर, तो थोड़ा एड्रेनलिन रश ज़्यादा बढ़ रहा है, विच डेफिनेटली आई नीड टू कंट्रोल, नहीं तो कुछ हादसा ना हो जाए.
So first thumb rule is I'm not letting any of you guys ride on the track without proper riding gear. For me, proper riding gear is a boot which is covering your ankle, gloves which is covering up to your wrist, and a jacket with your elbow, shoulder and back protector, and a full face helmet. No open face helmets are allowed. Motorcycles are pretty heavy, so in case if your leg gets stuck, and falling is part of learning. I will start with some basic aspects of motorcycle. The basic thing is you need to grip. Always make sure you're gripping somewhere on the street. So there's a certain things which you have to learn. So yeah, the bottoms up part is, first thing is you stand on the arc of the feet. If you see, I'm standing on the arc. So my feet is resting on the arc.
So it's the first, what do you call, a warm-up session for the first 9 bikes, and then the next batch. So we have to just follow the instructor. First thing is you have to maintain some safe distance. It's something you have to do it here. This is kind of a little tough. But yes. I mean, he said the vision should be on the other one when you surpass the first cone, but my vision is in almost all the cones. Shapat. घंटा कोई अपना बट हिला रहा है वहाँ पर.
2 fingers on the clutch as well and brake. Okay? Your motorcycle starts. Put it on gear. Okay? Leave this. It's okay, leave. I'm holding.
Oh, okay.
Motorcycle moves from this point.
Right.
Okay?
Okay.
So you can keep 2 fingers here as well.
Perfect. Okay.
2 fingers. Yeah.
All right. It is kind of no. He made it look easy, but it is not. Alright, let's give it a try. Alright. As slow as
possible. Keep your chin up. Look ahead.
Alright. Something. No. No, I'm actually putting pressure on my hands to tilt it. But he said you should not use it, right? So that's where we have to learn that.
Okay guys, now you know how to ride. So now we have to correct our body position. You have to grip your knee. You're doing absolutely well. Only thing is you have to go as slow as possible and look ahead. So what happens when you start looking ahead, you can go much deeper. First thing, 2 fingers. Most of you guys are getting the hang of keeping 2 fingers. And now to turn the motorcycle, use your butt.
Yeah.
Okay? Like, if I have to go left, I have to move my butt out. Okay? And when you move your butt out, if you want a deeper turning radius, you have to slide it out. And then I say left, forward, left. Okay? What you have to do is you have to that and putting your side stand on. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, short burst. Walk back, walk back, walk back, walk back. You have to be in contact with the seat till the end. Any idea? Take U-turns. U-turns. It'll help you in your vision, building more confidence about your vision. So what we do is, in this area, we approach straight. Okay? I'll give you a demo later, but how do we achieve it? Our body position, I'll explain it on the motorcycle. But vision, when you come straight, look there. Okay? And as soon as I come here, I look there. And I come here, I look there. 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 So, the idea is our chin is parallel to the shoulder. We're not doing this. Yeah, most of us do that. I'm just saying. But yeah, I'll make a video over does that. We'll post it on Instagram. So don't cheat on the vision. Move. Tell yourself that, okay, chin parallel to shoulder. If you are saying that, at least you will do this. If you don't say that, you'll do this. If you don't think about it, you'll do this. Okay? Keep your chin parallel to the shoulder and your elbows are out. You know how to stand. Now, keep your chin parallel to shoulder, which makes this as a reference point. Use the whole area. Okay? And I don't want you guys to look into the tire or cone or anything. I want 100% commitment and ride inside the circle. So what I do is, I approach straight. Where am I looking?
Parallel to the shoulder.
But I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this. If I do this, I'll go out. All I'm doing is and then my butt is completely out. Okay? I'm playing with the clutch. And in case if I slip, I tap. Okay? Only look at me. Full lock, full lock, full lock, full lock. Don't look on right. No. Control your speed, full lock, and only look at me. Yeah? Control your speed, full lock, no hurry. Aram se. Control. You're not going to hit that, just look here. Look here. You're not going to hit that, look here. Look at me. Look at me. Not going to hit anywhere. Full lock and just control the speed. Feel the bike. Bike has a lot of balance. Easy. Just look at me. Don't look outside. You look outside, you'll go out.
Yeah.
If you look at this, you're not going to go anywhere. Your turning radius will be at its tightest. Because you're looking here, yeah? Just look at this. Very good. Don't look out right. Full lock, full lock. Full lock, yeah. Full lock on the handlebar and just look at this. This is your best friend. Control your speed, full lock, nothing. You're not going out wide, don't worry. Keep turning. Keep turning. Keep turning. You're not going to hit. Okay, that's it.
Yeah.
So that's what I want you to do the same thing. Enter through this cone on the edge.
Okay.
Just look at the center cone.
Sure.
Control the speed, full lock.
This is definitely not an easy stuff.
Look inside. No brake, no brake. Inside, illy. Here. Look at me. Yes. Don't lift your throttle. Play with your clutch. Slide your butt out. You don't get active. Put it out. Don't look here and there. Look at my hand. Come on. One round. Super.
It's all about the vision.
No, I want you to keep looking at the hand. Okay.
Where you see is where you go.
Keep looking here at my hand and stand. Come on. Play with the clutch. Here. Yes.
Come on. Nice.
You understand?
Huh?
Very perfect. Where you look,
Yes.
where you see,
Where you see is where you go.
very correct.
I mean, the instructor, we have to like salute to the instructor. He's like kind of handling each and every person with this humid climate, and until he's standing still. Oh my goodness, this circle thing was not an easy task. बिल्कुल जमाने मेरे को बैठे नहीं जमा, तो खड़ा रह के करना, तो इट्स लाइक आउट ऑफ माई कैपेसिटी, आई वुड से. एटलीस्ट मे बी नॉट नाउ. थोड़ा लर्न करना बहुत बाकी है. आई थिंक दिस इज द एंड ऑफ ड्रिल 1. So initially we had, just to summarize, so initially we had the single leg up, double leg up, then sitting on the right hand side or the left hand side. फिर दूसरा, what was that, the cone ka thing, zigzag thing, and the third one is circle. I felt the circle is the toughest one. The second toughest is the cone thing, and the easiest or the moderate one was that single leg and double leg things and all stuff. अभी तो पूरा यार इतना, I don't know, you can, from my face you can see how dehydrated we all are. So it's a quick break, lunch break for us, maybe an hour or 45 minutes, then drills 2 starts. Alright, that's enough of knowledge sharing for drill 1. I hope you found this vlog more informative. There's a lot to learn. Yes, definitely, and this is not something we have to stop at. We have to kind of do regular practice with kind of safe environment and all stuff, with proper gears and all. I hope you liked the vlog. If you did, please do subscribe, share, and yeah, sharing is important, I believe, especially this vlog. And do like it if you like the vlog. We'll have the drill 2 in the next vlog, or else this would be a kind of बहुत बड़ा vlog बन जाएगा. Alright guys, signing off for now. See you in the next vlog. Till then, be safe, be healthy, and take care. Yeah.